is your Storm Team 29 forecast.
What a soaking it was this morning. That rain came down heavy at times. Many locations a solid 1 to 2 inches with locally higher amounts. And there's just a sampling of some of the rainfall amounts. Most of that fell early this morning, and by 8, 9 o'clock it was slowly beginning to edge off to the east. But we had just over an inch outside our studios, Shenandoah Valley Regional Airport, an inch and 2/10. As you get up toward the mountains, the Blue Ridge, Big Meadows in Madison, over 2 inches, and 3 inches in Nelson's Montebello. There's a look at the rain-swollen and muddy South River in Waynesboro, and of course, creeks and streams and rivers are certainly going to be muddy and running high and fast at this time, and this is set to expire within the next within the half hour in northern Rockingham. There were some flood warnings earlier in the day. Those have been whittled back as floodwaters have receded, and we certainly had some flooding reports throughout the morning hours and early afternoon. Things are fairly quiet. Again, we could still see a shower or two this evening and again tomorrow, but nothing like the soaking rain we saw today. Look how long it took to move this whole line of heavy rain off to the east, virtually all day, and that's the slow movement of the system, really, with the winds south to north parallel to the front. It doesn't move very fast. Some of the heaviest rain right now along the Chesapeake and the Delmarva. There's our view from the Charlottesville camera. Lots of clouds. We did see a little bit of sunshine, but then the clouds filled back in. Temperatures at this hour are generally in the low 60s. Our actual high temperature occurred at midnight. Overnight lows will settle generally into the mid to upper 40s. There'll certainly be some areas of fog to develop. Now tomorrow, generally low to middle 60s. We'll call it variably cloudy skies. We'll see some sunshine, but we could pop a shower or two. Not everyone sees that activity, but we'll still run the risk of a shower around tomorrow. A dry day on Saturday. Temperatures a lot more seasonable in the lower 70s, nearing 80 on Sunday. But as we go later in the day, we could see a shower or thunderstorm, especially Sunday evening. So here's the system. I mentioned how slow it was moving. The upper level winds are parallel to the front, and again, from heavy rain right now from outside the Outer Banks all the way up to Lake Ontario, and this broad counterclockwise circulation you see back across the Ohio Valley, that's an upper level low that has to pivot through the mid-Atlantic into tomorrow. That'll keep temperatures on the cool side, and we'll still run the risk of a shower or two. Look at these numbers in the 40s back across the Ohio Valley, and certainly it's chilly in the mountains. So here we are tonight. We could see that passing shower, otherwise partly to mostly cloudy skies. Areas of fog in the morning. Temperatures will start in the 40s, and then we'll have a mix of clouds and sunshine tomorrow. Could pop a shower just about any time, but not everyone sees that activity. Low to middle 60s for highs. We dry out into Saturday morning. Temperatures will start in the mid to upper 40s. Saturday should be a pleasant day for us. Temperatures a lot more seasonable in the lower 70s. So partly to mostly cloudy tonight. Could see that spotty shower. Areas of fog, mid to upper 40s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. A cool day here for Friday, and then temperatures start to warm as we head into this first weekend of May. Temperatures near 80 on Sunday with a late day shower storm that could take us into early on Monday. Steve?